Welcome in this new episode of Newsroom. Today we will talk about welding fumes and lung cancer. A recent paper published in Occupational and Environmental Medicine by colleagues from the YARC group present a systematic review and meta-analysis about welding fumes and lung cancer following the MOOS guidelines and what is usually used by the YARC. 24 cohorts, one nested case control study, and 20 case control study were eligible for meta-analysis. Over 16 million of people were included in the core study and over 100,000 cases in the other case control study. Meta-risk were 1.3 for core study and 1.9 for case control study. But which is really interesting, the results are similar after adjustment on tobacco and asbestos, but also stratification of type of steel welded and the welding methods. So, of course, there's questions about the inclusion of the paper, the flow chart, based quality assessment, and which is at the end a relative low effect. It's clear these results support the conclusion that exposure of welding fumes increase the risk of lung cancer, regardless of the type of steel welded, the welding methods, and independent exposure to asbestos and tobacco smoking, and support the Group 1 classification about YARC developed in this kind of work. So, thank you very much, and we will continued next month. Bye bye.